Okay, so we're going to learn how to factorize this quadratic expression. So what we do is use this 2 to multiply this 3, and that will give you x squared minus 5x. It's a different method, plus 6. Don't know whether you've seen this method before. Okay, so the next thing to do is to use look for the factors of product factors of plus 6 and plus minus 5. So we are going to be dealing with minus 3 and minus 2. When multiplied, we give you plus 6. When added, we give you minus 5. On that note, we'll drop the first one, x minus 3. Drop the second one, x minus 2. Okay, so now to tidy up, we divide these factors by the 2. So here we have x minus 3 over 2, open bracket again, x minus 2 over 2. In this case, 2 cannot divide 3, so we use the 2 to multiply the x. So we have it as 2x minus 3, open bracket, x minus 2 divided by 2 is possible, and that will give you 1. Alright, so, and that's the factorized form of the given quadratic. Let's look at another example. Alright, so the next example we are going to look at is how to factorize this one. Like we have been doing before, the 3 will have to multiply this a, will multiply the c, so we have it as 12. So our quadratic becomes x squared minus 7x plus 12. Alright, and if you continue, look for our product factor and sum factor. It's going to be minus 3 and minus 4. Alright, so we'll put the first one, x minus 3, put the second one, x minus 4. Alright, so we use the 3, which is our a we used earlier, to divide the factors. 3 divided by 3, that was the 3 we used in multiplying our c earlier, divided by 3. Now this 3 goes into this 3, we are left with x minus 1. This 3 cannot divide 4, so the 3 will multiply the x, so we have 3x minus 4. Alright, so this is the factorized form of the quadratic. See my next video. This is Tambari. 3x squared plus 8x plus 5. Alright, so to factorize this, we have it as use this 3 to multiply the a to multiply the c, so we'll have x squared. It's going to be a different method. I don't know that you've seen this method before. That will give you 15. Then our sum factor, like we know, is plus 3 and plus 5. They are the ones that will give us, when multiplied, will give you 15, and when added, will give you 8. So we have it, drop the first one, x plus 3, drop the second one, x plus 5. What's the next thing to do? Next thing to do is to use the a, which is this 3, to divide these factors. So we have it as x plus 3 divided by 3 all over x plus 5 divided by 3. Now 3 divided by 3 will give you x plus 1. Then this 3 cannot divide 5, so 3 times, we use the 3 to multiply the x. So we now have it as 3x plus 5. Alright, so that's the factorized form. Let's look at another example. Alright, so let's learn how to factorize this quadratic. Now, like we have been doing, the 2 multiplies the 3. So we have x squared minus x minus 6. Now our product factor and sum factor will have to be numbers you multiply to get minus 6, and when you add, give you minus 3. I think it should be minus 2, minus 3 and plus 2. Alright, so that to satisfy the 2 conditions. So we'll drop the first one, x minus 3, open bracket, drop the second one, x plus 2. Alright, then we'll divide each factor by the CEA, which is this 2 here. That's 3 over 2 all over x plus 2. And again, this will give you 2x minus 3 and eventually gives you x plus, remember you're dividing here by 2, x plus 1. Alright, so if you like the content, please give it a thumbs up, click the like button for me, consider subscribing if you like the channel as well. If you like educational content like this, please subscribe, hit the like buttons for me. Thank you for watching. This is Tambari. Okay, so we are going to learn how to factorize this. Now, the method I want us to use is we remove these 2 from this leading coefficient, use it to multiply this one, so it becomes x squared plus 4x plus 4. Alright, the next thing to do is to look for the product factor and the sum factor. 2 numbers, then when you multiply will give you plus 4. When you add to give you plus 4, they are still plus 2 and plus 2. So we drop the first one, x plus 2. Drop the second one, x plus 2. We're almost done. Now the next thing to do is to use that 2 we used to multiply our c initially to divide the terms, the factors. That's 2 divided by 2, open bracket, x plus 2 over 2. Alright. Now this will give you x plus 1 and x plus 1. So this is a factorized form. Let's look at another example.